Hi everybody, Robert here with more precast training from Revit. This is our layout drawing, and by the way, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It helps me create videos, and if you go through this whole series of precast, you'll be pretty good on precast. So this is kind of winding this down. So again, thanks for the new subscribers and everybody that subscribed. So here's our layout drawing. This is the drawing that's showing our wall panels that we did and our slabs. So this covers everything, and normally this is like the first drawing, it's the layout drawing. So we have our elevations and everything. So now let's work on sections. So we want to do some sections through our building here. So what I want to do, wall sections. See, I want to just activate this view, or we can go in the view, and I want to do a section mark. I'll take that one. I want to do one here. And one here. These are just typical sections that you would use or have, basically. One there. Yeah, I think we got some PSAs and some steel happening over here that we want to show. And then that's it. So next we want to go and create another sheet. So we're on a new sheet. And we'll go with the spick one here. We'll say OK. And then I want to go to my sections that I just cut. I think these are them. I think I'm going to just take a chance here. Is that one? Yes, that's one. And I'm going to activate this view. And I'm going to bring the scale up to probably, let's go a half inch. Okay, that looks good. So we'll take this guy, deactivate it, drag and drop it right over here. Yeah, that's working out pretty good. So this thing here. These titles can be annoying sometimes, but I guess they're okay. So there's one of our wall sections here. And then we'll go grab another one here. And it cross-reference, hey, that's a good one. So I'm going to activate this view. Where are we at here? With 3/8, I think. Now you have different companies that do different things with precast. I work for maybe 2 or 3 actually, and some things, let's have some companies did good stuff. Other companies, I don't know. Well, it just depends whether you're architectural or structural. It's a half inch. Okay, so now we've got our wall sections going here. Let's just start out with these 3. And this annoying little title, goodness. What the trick to this thing is, keep the stuff lined up, and then release that and put it there. And now here, yeah, we got our PSA up there. So now this is how we're going to do this. Now we'll have a sheet of sections here, and what we'll do is, let me go here and activate this. Kind of look we're getting here. I'm going to make this fine, so we can see stuff happening in here. I'm going to deactivate that one, activate this view. This is fine as well. So now we've got our wall panels, these 2 sections done here, which is pretty cool. So now what we can do here, we can do call outs, and we have what we call connection details, so we can make generate these call outs to go in and really see the fine details. So we can go here. I'm gonna just bring that other one in. I think we got room for it here, and we can have all the walls for the wall panels. I think that's another one right there. So we'll drag and drop, and we'll activate this guy. And I think where we at 1/2 inch, we're at 1/2 inch scale. I think that's kind of pushing it a little bit. No, yeah, we'll go with it since we started. So we can bring these together, we can show dimensions, we can do all these sorts of things with our wall sections. And then from here, what happens is, okay, now we've got a PSA up here and a connection that we're gonna need. So I'm gonna activate this view, and I'm gonna do a call out right here because I need to see this. We need to see this connection. So we'll do this guy here. Okay, now we'll also do one here since we're over here. So there's our connections for that wall. Now, for that wall, I want to bring those details and blow them up over here. So let me go, yeah, I think that's, wait a minute now. Is this the one? It's good to name these things. Okay, that's not the one. Where would it be? Oh, I know, there. Okay. So I'm gonna take this guy and drag and drop him over here. And I'm gonna blow him way up. I'm gonna activate that view. I wanna just blow this guy up to 1 inch. We can even go bigger. Let's go. Okay, and I'll deactivate that view. Now you can go here, and this is what you can do here. You can activate this guy. He's fine. Yeah, that's all good. Give him a title. You can also go on here and tag some things. Well, this will be more or less a fine dimension. Let me see if I can tag this. Not really that concerned with that, but there's your PSA. And then you'll come here and you'll go get this other one. And it's annoying little titles, man. I'll tell you, you just have to touch this and then just grab it and drag it. So there's one of our details, and then for this one, we'll take him and put him over here. So you have all of your different connections for your wall panel, wall sections. But this is how they basically do it. You know, I worked in precast, and it's big right now. I mean, really, really big. People are really coming up and they throwing these buildings up quick, man, because they can do it in the shop, man, and then get it out. Now here we can do some things here with this one, and then I'm gonna leave it here, and we're gonna move on to our other sections later. I don't want to make too many videos. So here we can activate this view. I think we're looking good here, actually. Yeah, let's do a wireframe here, so we can see this really, you know, all the connections here, the plate, the shims, and everything. So hey, let me see, where are we here? So there you go. I'm going to finish this sheet off. You guys get the idea of what's happening here and what you need to do. I'm going to detail, so go in and add these dimensions. You can dimension things over here. Now here's another PSA that we might want to pull off because it's in a different area. So let's just go here. Let's put this down since it's at the bottom. And then we'll go with these at the top for this sheet. So this is another sheet in our erection drawings. They're the sections and details. Okay, now I want to just show this one. So we can pull any of these off we want. That's the good thing about this. So I need to see this corner here. And then I got some more connections here. So I want to activate this view here. Let's just do one more, and then I'm going to leave it there, and you guys go and move forward. View. Let me cancel. Activate this view. I want to show this PSA in this direction. Let's pull this out here. Doesn't have to be that big. I just want to see that much of it. And then we'll put that one here. Okay, and we'll scale him up. So I'm going to finish these drawings up. There you go. So there's everything in there. There's the PSA, and then we might want to do this in wireframe as well. So you can see all the connections, the rebar, and our fine details. Let me scale that up. Activate view. That should be that. So hey guys, there you go. So now we've got pretty much it in precast. This is how you do it. I think we're going to do a full project next. Something a little more interesting. So there you go. So this is how you would set up your detailed drawings, your wall sections and details. So guys, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. So we've got embed plan. This is the wall embed plan here. We've got our column. We've got our elevations, all of them. Well, did a few. The elevations. This would be our floor frame. And again, we have our sheet here. Where is it? I need to name this. And we have our wall sections. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We'll go into the next video and do some more wall sections and details. So please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Talk to you soon. Bye. Everybody, please be safe.